All right, so this is how I make my concentrate for endurance races. So we're going to take the powder and I'm going to turn it into a gel with using the blender. So for this one, it's about an 18-ounce bottle, and I'm going to start with it half full of water. So putting like half in. I already cut these because I'm using one hand. So this is 100 carbs. I'm going to turn the blender on low. Okay, so this is sort of you have to do it a few times to kind of get the hang of it. So as you can see right now, it's pretty thick, but I want to get 400 carbs into this bottle. So at this point, it being this thick, I'm going to add a little more water. Turn it on again. So that's pretty good right there. So I had filled it about halfway, and there's still a little water left in this one. So let's see how that looks. So this is 400 carbs, and it fit perfect. So you want to add the water slowly because you can't go backwards on the water. Obviously, you can only add more water, you can't take it out. So that's a pretty good consistency. So this is 400 carbs, and you can have it in here. You can put it in something like this. So this is what I'm doing for Unbound XL. I'll have maybe one of these and maybe 3 of these at the start, and then I'm going to bring a bunch of powder, because what you can do with the powder, you just put in your bottle, shake it up for 20 seconds, and you're good to go.